Hello friends, today we will talk about Baby Dogecoin cryptocurrency. It is listed on coinmarketcap.com. Its price is $0.00001 and its volume is around $16 million and blockchain is Binance Coin. It is listed one day ago. Then we will tell you about it. I will review in detail and we will tell you how to buy it and we will open its portfolio. So this portfolio has been opened. Its rank is 2600 and around 5947 people have added it to the watch list, and its website is babydogecoin.com and this is its price $0.0001 and BTC is 3.66% high and ETH is 0.91% high. Low price is 0 and high price is $0.0001. After that we will come down, and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here, and in $1 we are getting around 4.7 billion Baby Dogecoin. After that we will come down, and this is its description, we can read it, and its total supply is around 9,000 trillion coin. After that we will open its website and click on babydogecoin.com. I have already opened this website, and here it has a menu bar like business inquiry, Baby Doge swap and buy with card coming soon, earn coin and discuss talk. And here it has a menu bar like business inquiry, and here it has a menu bar like business inquiries, Baby Doge swap and buy with card coming soon, earn coins and rescue Doge. Baby Doge has learned a few tricks and lessons from the meme father, and here it has a menu bar like and this is menu bar like, and here it has a menu bar, and here it has a menu bar like business inquiries, Baby Doge swap, buy with card coming soon, earn coin and rescue dog. Baby Doge has learned a few tricks and lessons from his meme father Dogecoin, a birthed by fans of Doge community. Baby Doge seeks to impress his father by showing his new improved transaction speed, adorableness. He is hyper-deflationary with an integrated smart staking system built in, so more Baby Doge are being added to your wallet. Simply love, pet and watch your Baby Doge grow. Set slippage to 12% during buying. We can buy on PancakeSwap, and this is contact address. Baby Doge grows. Baby Doge is cute but with a lot of bite. Baby Doge is a deflationary coin designed to become more scarce over time. All holders of Baby Doge will earn more Baby Doge that is automatically sent to your wallet by holding Baby Doge coin in your wallet. Watch the amount of Baby Doge grow in your wallet, as all holder automatically receive 5% fee from every transaction that happen on the Baby Doge network. The community on the Baby Doge network earning from tax fee generated on the Baby Doge network. The birth of Baby Dogecoin, the next generation. Baby Doge is very giving and designed to reward long-term holders. Community first and foremost, Baby Doge helps protect against whales. Baby Doge is proud to run with his father and provide transparency and fairness of community. Did we mention Baby Doge is not only 1000x cutter, but every transaction on the network donates a portion to charity chosen by the community to help rescue homeless Doge in need. 5% of transaction redistribution to the token holder. That means you earn more Baby Doge by just holding it in your wallet. 5% of each transaction sent to PancakeSwap liquidity pool, and 20% plus supply is burned, so a portion is redistribution is sent to the burned wallet, decreasing supply and creating scarcity. Community powered. Baby Doge is fully decentralized and owned by its fun. Instant reward. For every transaction Baby Doge network buy or sell, 5% of transaction distributed to the existing holder. LP. Liquidity is fully logged. 5% of transaction fee are further added to the liquidity. Token symbol baby doge. Total supply 420 quadrillion and circulating supply 300 quadrillion. Current price is $0.00016 and market cap is around 5 million plus and holder 5000 plus. Moon map. Phase 1 birth airdrop to the community. Marketing push spread awareness. Website launch 5000 Telegram member. Meme development. Baby doge is born. Phase 2 crow. Influencer marketing push. Listing on CoinGecko. Listing on CoinMarketCap. 25,000 Telegram member. 25,000 holder. Coin audit. Voluntary donation for community charity partnership. Phase 3 walk. 1 lakh holders. 1 lakh Telegram member. Airdrop second. Large influencer marketing push. Listing on major CEX. More memes from community. Phase 4 1,50,000 holder. Increase marketing. Create DEX CEX where user can deposit cash USD to purchase baby doge. Add way more memes. Website redesign. Baby doge PAW wallet growth tracker. Phase 5 jump 3 lakh holders. Release treats NFT marketplace for baby doge treats. Treats will initially be distributed existing baby dogecoin holders. Giveaways Tesla to promote eco-friendly campaign of baby doge with doge at 250 million market cap. Memes everywhere. $250K donation to charity community choice. $500 market cap. $500 market cap donation animal shelter for baby doge at 1 billion market cap. Donate to build homeless dog settler at 25 billion market cap. Phase 6 moon build animal sanctuary at 50 billion market cap. 100 billion market cap community gathered to crave a baby doge into a large mountain, forever being logged as a literally the largest meme history. 500 billion cap. We work on business to accept baby doge. Foundation team. Baby doge was founded by a 2% team that has since expanded into a community. Baby doge is not led by a team. We are all single community. Feel free to say hi on Instagram and on Telegram. Baby doge father and Miss Doge. FAQ and donate to baby doge. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it. And we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet and click on connect and click on Trust Wallet and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap and click on accept button and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.